Hey folks, how's it going? Out again today in my home place looking for some modern coinage and such. This is without doubt the fastest coin I have ever found on a hunt. I literally came in that gap there, turned on my machine there, walked 2 steps, first signal, and we have a coin. I'd say 20 seconds is how long it took. And it is very corroded, but I can see Searstat around the edge. So that would be an Irish Free State halfpenny with the pig and piglets, but you can't see them because they're corroded, and where the harp is with the ear is also corroded. I won't get a year off it. I just know that it's between 1928 and 1938. But yeah. So does that mean I'm going to have a great day, or does it mean that's as good as it gets? We'll see. On to the next. So how's your day going? This is my day so far. I did think to bring an umbrella with me, but of course when it started raining I was at the bottom of that field and the umbrella was up here. And those trees don't give you much shelter against this. Let's hope it's just a passing shower. I'm already fairly soggy. Hello little calves. Noxie is taking shelter in by the hedge. And sure, we'll wait it out and we'll go at it again. See you in a bit. Right. Whatever this ends up being, it was nearly a shocking find. It was right under that and I touched it. Anyway, it's in this. What kind of a bottle top is this going to be? Oh, nothing there. Oh yes, boy, look at that. It's a big penny. It's going to be a big Irish. Is it going to be a Searstat? Free State. There goes the imprint. Big Irish penny. It looks older. No, it's not. It's not a Searstat. Magic trouser time. But it is a 1949. 40. Is that 9? Oh, don't say I wiped it off. Yeah, I think that's a 49. 1949 Irish chicken penny with the chicken and the chicks are corroded as usual. That's the second coin. After my great start getting the halfpenny just over there, like 20 feet away, I've gone all over this field and I've dug some fair amount of stuff. But second coin. So I haven't tried this corner yet. I think I will go in there by the hedge. Excellent. On to the next. Right, I don't know what this is, but it's a lovely copper penny or better type signal. It could also be a bottle cap or a piece of can slaw. But let's go find out. There. Ooh, what is this? Oh, it's a bottle top. Oh, come on. On to the next. And now I think I have my first sort of really old coin, but again, toasted. I tried cleaning it up before I turn on the video so that I'd have some sort of an ID on it if I could get one. But I think we shall never know. Maybe when it dries out, I'll be able to pick at it, get something off it. I'm confident it is a coin. There is a bit of beading around the edge in places. But I'm gonna guess that's 1700s maybe. Possibly 1800s, but you know yourself, it's taken a hammering from the chemicals and the weather over the years. There's not much left. It's unusual to get coins this old in these fields, to be honest. It's usually modern coins, that's all I'm looking for really. Anyway, we'll take it and move on to the next. Imagine my disappointment when I dug down and saw rust after getting a fantastic signal. Then I turned it over and that's brass or bronze. I have no idea what that is. Is this some sort of a latch? If I break off the rust, what would happen? Doesn't want to come away that easy. So yeah, there's a good chunk of brass or bronze or whatever that is on the back of that. If you have any ideas what that might be, drop it in the comments down there. We will carry on to the next. I don't know. Any ideas? Sorry about the wind. On to the next. Just walked into a new field, freshly grazed, ready to go. I got a banging signal. I think we might have a buckle. In fact, I think we have a very nice buckle with the leather intact. Wow. Look at that. The leather strap still in it. And I think that's my first of that type of round buckle. Yeah. I am delighted with that. I'll take that all day. Nice one. On to the next. Well, we'll be able to have the tea now because I got my teaspoon. And that bend, and that bend, I did that. I hit it not once, but twice. Oh well. On to the next. Okay, we got another Kinder Egg situation. Did I just turn it off? Yeah, we have an egg. Signal wasn't great, so maybe it's copper-nickel if it is a coin, or it's a button. Let's see, the wind is terrible. What is it? I think we're talking button. Are we? Let's just put you down here for a second, or I'll just come back. Yeah, I think that's just some form of a crudded up button. Cruddy button. On to the next. I don't know if there's any point, because I don't know if you can hear me with the wind, but there must have been a tea party in this part of the field, because that's the second teaspoon now. And that's as good as it's got since that buckle. Anyway, I'm going to go for tea as it happens. And if I come out again, I'll probably start a second video. If I don't, it's on to the wrap up. So we're back at the car. I never did go out for the second half of the day, even though the weather got better after I came home. But anyway, I had things to do. So quick roundup. There's the trash. Usual bits. I don't know what that is. Maybe a bit of a furniture lock, moo tubes, bottle caps. This one says there is 3D on this bottle. I'm guessing you got 3 pence back if you return that bottle. I think I've seen that before. Iron, got caught with a few bits of iron, including this. This is one link you won't see in the description. Hey, pun. Usual stuff. 2 spoons, 2 teaspoons, roughly in the same area. And then on to this class buckle that I cleaned up a little bit. It's fragile. I don't want the leather to fall out of it. I want to keep it just like that. Coins, 2 identifiable ones. The 1949 chicken penny and unknown year, but it's a Free State Irish halfpenny, so it's going to be from 1928 to around 1938. And a toasted, which I thought at one stage I could make out a harp, so it probably is a Hibernia. George III, possibly, maybe even George II. And this I didn't film because it was folded over and I thought it was a piece of scrap, but it possibly is another religious medal. And I didn't put it back in the field because I didn't know what it was. But I think there is writing around the side. I think it could be another religious medal. And a cruddy button. And that was it, really. So yeah, like and subscribe, and I might go out again tomorrow. If so, you'll see a video. Good luck.